So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is RJ. I haven't made a video showing my face in like a hot minute. Wait, it's hot. Let me open this window. Just because I've been really lazy, and yeah. So one of my videos actually just hit 15k views. I'm practically like famous now. And the only comment I really get on that video is, how did you do the intro? So here I am showing you how to do the intro. So basically I used the app VHS Cam. It's in the video as well, and this is how it looks. Ew, no, ain't nobody want to see that. And this is what I'm working with right now, by the way. We're very professional up in here. Oh, that breeze. So unfortunately you do have to pay for the full version of this app to have this option to add a title. I think the app was like $3 or $4. It's worth it in my opinion, and you just get this really cool, really cool effect. So basically what I did, excuse you, basically what I did was cover the back of the screen. So it's you get a black screen. Obviously right now it's like super bright. Cover the back of the screen, you get a blank screen, you get a black screen. Obviously right now it's like super bright outside, so it's not gonna really get black. Let me cover it up like this. Oh yeah, it works. So I covered up the screen, and then you go into the titler. You go into the titler. Titler? Is that a word? Titler. Oh my god, I've never used that word. Titler. No, okay, so it's called title. Titler, right? Titler. Why does that sound so wrong? So anyways, going to the titler. I can't stop saying it. And this is right now, I just have a little hello on it. So if you can change that to whatever you want. Go into the menu, put some words on the video. Hello. I will do suck. No, let's not do that. Okay, so I'm gonna record that, and then if you like tap on the if you like tap on the screen, it gets like more glitchy depending on how you want it. It's called dropout, I think. So I don't really care for that. I just do a little bit. And so you record it, and then you end the recording, and then you have a cool little title. Cool little titler. Cool. I like it. So that is how you can do it within the app if you pay for the full version. But if you don't want to pay for the full version, or you can't, whatever your reason may be, you can still just go in and do the recording of like covering the camera up and doing a blank black screen. Record that, and then when you're editing your video, you can go in with a similar looking font and just put it on top of it. I download my fonts from defont.com. I'll try to link a couple fonts below that might work well. Free fonts, obviously. That might work well, and you can do it that way. It's an extra step, but if you really don't want to pay for the app, I think it's a good workaround. Alrighty, so that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of my face, thumbs up. If you don't want to see my face, still thumbs up. Bye. Depending on how you want. Okay, all these cars, man. Shit, I'm in like a construction zone. This is... Oh my goodness. Do I have to move?